Well, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this. And today I'm coming to you from Castle Resort on Mille Lake in northern Minnesota. And today I'm going to be taking a fishing launch and targeting big walleyes. I hope to get some crappies or perch, because you can only keep one walleye right now. And I believe the slot is like 20 to 23 inches or 1/28 inches. So yeah. Hope you enjoy this short fishing vlog. Here's Mille Lake. I'm in Isle, Minnesota. And that is the big boat that we're taking out on this fishing launch coming up here in a little bit. Right there on the left. But yeah, the fall leaves are out. It's a beautiful day here in northern Minnesota. So this is the big boat we're on, take this fishing launch. Right now there's only 4 of us on here, plus the captain and one of his crewmen. But yeah, this is what we're going to be on for the next 4 or 5 hours. Well, I'm sure the wind's pretty strong right now, but we just started our journey. The captain, who is right there, told us that we have about a 30-minute drive in the boat to go to the spot that we're going to fish in this evening. So, yeah, it's like I said earlier, it's a beautiful day here in northern Minnesota, and we're on Lake Mille. Well, we made it to where we're fishing. We're in 19.5 feet of water on a little point, and I'll show you how we're fishing these walleye tonight. So if you see out there, we're slip bobbering. We're about 6 inches off the bottom, maybe a foot, and I am using a night crawler. Well, we didn't catch anything at the first spot, so the captain decided to move the boat. So yeah, we're moving to a different spot now.
Gonna get around that motor. There we go. Oop. Oh yeah. What do you got?
Holy criminy! Look at that.
It's a carp. Oh, it is. Oh,
Oh yeah, look at that. It's a keeper. 20. Another walleye. Well, it's 8:35 p.m. and we just got off the boat. There's the boat at night all lit up. Now we're going to clean the fish. So there's the walleye that we're bringing home and the bass. So after a day of fishing on Lake Mille, you enjoy a bonfire, sit on the swing, and enjoy the lake.